everybody? This is Zach with Shots by Shopes coming to you with another adventure. Today I am in Succop Nature Park, which is located just outside of Butler, PA. And my goal for the day is to take one good picture. I only have about an hour and a half to walk around and see if I can find a cool subject or something to photograph. So, fingers crossed. Let's hit the trails and see if we can make one good photo today. Let's go. So right now I'm going to be walking towards a pond called the front pond here. I'm just hoping to, I don't know, catch something interesting, whether it's, a robin or some ducks or maybe a green heron. I don't know. We'll have to see. There wasn't much information about this park online, but it is part of the Western Audubon Society of Pennsylvania. So there's got to be birds here somewhere. So let's see if we can find them. Well, I think I've already gotten my one good image of the day. Typically, I don't like to photograph robins, mostly because I see them every day. But this one in particular gave me a good perch, so I pulled out my R5 with my 100 to 500 and snapped a few shots. And I think I've got my one image. So now we can relax and see what else we can find today. Definitely a lot of vultures flying around, so I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but who knows? We'll see. That'll do it for this episode of Shootin' It With Shopes. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Head on over to my Facebook and Instagram pages and give them a follow. And until next time, stay safe, get out there, and take some pictures. See ya.